Greetings from Struga, Macedonia, my home country, and Beach Adventures with Chris. We are in Struga, and yes, I'm in Macedonia, and it is the 1st of November today. Super nice Saturday, and I'm doing some beach adventures for the very first time on my channel from the Ohrid Lake. This is one of the deepest, actually the deepest lake in the Balkans and one of the deepest in Europe, and it's protected by UNESCO. And it's obviously, as the name states, it's the main city of this lake. It's Ohrid, around 10 kilometers away from Struga, which I'm going to visit later. But first I wanted to have a stroll here in Struga. It was sunny all the way from Skopje to here, but now it's a bit cloudy, and I'm here with my parents. So it was nice to go beach adventures by car instead of the public transport, as it is almost not so efficient here in Macedonia. But it's 16 degrees Celsius in the air, but the water, I have no idea how warm or cold it is in the water, so we're gonna find out. But this is quite a deep lake, which means it's gonna be probably cold. But I'm coming from Sweden, so it won't be colder than it is in Sweden. So beach adventures increase from Macedonia, and the water looks so clean. This is such a clean lake indeed, and we're gonna find out soon the temperature in the water. But I have been swimming in colder lakes than this in Sweden for sure. And let's see, let's give it more of a measurement before we go in. But I think it is around 16 degrees Celsius indeed. So this is very warm. 16 degrees is warm, so it's going to be a very nice swim indeed. Maybe longer than I anticipated that it will be. And here in Struga, from the lake, it goes the river Dream. It starts. That's a beautiful lake, river here, one of the few in Macedonia, to be fair. And with that said, let's then. Oh, I didn't mention, this is male beach, the men's beach, Mashka Plaža as it is called. On the other side of the lake, on the other side of the river, it is the women's beach, but it's basically the beach is for both gender. It's just the name that is like that. So 16 degrees Celsius in the lake, it's going to be a nice swim. Here we have some sand, some pebbles, and I'm the only person going for a swim. Bear in mind, it is autumn, and maybe someone will say winter in Macedonia, but yeah, it's autumn and many people have winter clothes on. I have come here only with summer clothes mostly. But here where I am, it is sandy. So, and yes, there we have also the Hotel Dream as it is called. One of the most famous hotels here in Struga. And Struga, it's a smaller city than Ohrid and less popular, obviously. And but it is on the same lake, and it's somewhat cheaper actually for accommodation as well. So yeah, greetings from Macedonia, from Ohrid Lake in Struga, and let's go in for a swim. Let's go. Oh my god, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. It's perfect for swimming. It's not cold at all. It's brilliant. Yes, this is how the beach looks like in Struga, male beach. And along the coast you can find many different beaches, and you can see also the mountains. The area is quite mountainous here. Okay, and I will be definitely doing a beach adventure also in Ohrid later today. So yeah, with that said, it's time to wrap up the beach adventure from Struga, from Mayo Beach. And I'm so happy to be finally doing some beach adventures in Macedonia, even though it is 1st of November, believe it or not, and I'm going in for a swim. So it's not cold at all. It is the same temperature now in the water as it is in the air. So thanks a lot for watching. Greetings from Struga, Macedonia. Pozdrav za site, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.